What surprised the world public at the beginning of the Russian invasion in Ukraine were the images of the daily destruction of Russian forces and equipment, and the images that showed that the hunter had become a prey. The situation changed during the Russian offensive in the east, but the American HIMARS quickly restored the old situation, and now we again see the trend of increased attacks on Russian forces throughout the country. Like always, let's see the best videos. Have you ever wondered why Russian troops always ride on top of their BMPs? Well, the BMP is underpowered armored vehicle which was made in the Soviet Union for nuclear war, so the vehicle was not very protected from mines and bigger caliber munition. This video of a Russian BMP running over mine next to two damaged BMPs is another proof of the crappy Soviet design. Video of the strike on the Ka-52 helicopter in the Vuhledar area, likely by a manpads. Russian sources are claiming the crew is alive. Footage showing multiple destroyed Russian T-72B tanks on the Izium front. This is Ukrainian loitering munition strike on a communications tower in Belgorod. Ukraine's 28th Mechanized Brigade showing a Russian vehicle hitting an anti-tank mine. Another video of Ukrainian HIMARS launching precise rockets in the middle of the day. This are two simultaneous Ukrainian Tupolev launches. And another Ukrainian Tupolev launch.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.